Luxury carpets are the secret to a high-end living room. In 2026, Dubai homes are using premium carpets to define spaces, add warmth, and elevate interiors instantly. If your living room feels incomplete or lacks style, the right carpet can make all the difference. 1. Plush textured carpets. Soft, plush carpets are a hallmark of luxury. They add depth, comfort, and elegance, creating a space that's cozy and inviting. Plush textures feel incredible underfoot and instantly make a living room look high-end. 2. Neutral luxury carpets. Neutral shades like cream, beige, and soft gray dominate Dubai's modern interiors. A neutral carpet complements furniture, wall colors, and decor while creating an open, airy feel. Neutral tones are timeless, making them perfect for long-term investment in luxury interiors. 3. Patterned statement carpets. Geometric or abstract patterns add personality without overpowering the space. Luxury patterned rugs in muted or metallic tones give your living room a designer feel. A bold, yet balanced pattern transforms your space instantly and becomes the focal point of your room. 4. Layered carpets for depth. Layering a smaller patterned carpet over a neutral base rug adds sophistication and designer appeal. It's perfect for large living rooms or open-plan spaces in Dubai apartments. This layering technique creates visual interest and makes your living room feel curated and stylish. 5. Natural and earthy luxury carpets. Carpets inspired by nature, soft browns, muted greens, or warm terracotta bring a grounded, calming feel to your living room. Pair them with wooden furniture and soft furnishings to create a luxurious, balanced space that's inviting and stylish. Imagine your living room. Picture your own living room with one of these luxury carpets. How would it change the vibe? Adding texture, defining the seating area, and introducing color or pattern can make a massive difference. Even a single carpet can make your living room feel polished, elegant, and luxurious. Tips for placement and styling. Ensure sofas and chairs are partially on the carpet to anchor the space. Align rugs with key furniture pieces to create harmony. Consider layering rugs for texture, dimension, and designer appeal. The right placement instantly elevates your living room design. Why invest in luxury carpets? Luxury carpets aren't just about aesthetics, they're about comfort, durability, and long-term style. High-quality materials last for years, maintain their shape, and elevate any living space effortlessly. Your living room is an investment in style, and a premium carpet is a foundational piece. Top luxury carpets in Dubai combine style, comfort, and practicality. With the right texture, color, and placement, your living room can feel like a high-end designer space. Even small changes, choosing a plush texture, layering, or adding subtle patterns, can transform your home instantly. Luxury carpets are more than decor, they're the foundation of a stylish, inviting, and sophisticated living room.